While an estimation sample is being reviewed, we can return to the analysis page and use the Axcelerate investigation techniques you learned in earlier training to identify and prioritize a potentially relevant dataset on the deregulation topic. Prioritizing datasets by issue can help speed review as the team is able to focus on specific topics. Also, the earlier in the review that the team codes documents relevant to an issue, the more robust results predictive coding is likely to return as the input set grows larger. We have many prioritization options at our fingertips: concept groups and phrase analysis, smart filters, email intelligence using hypergraph, and keyword search. The phrases smart filter can be a good starting place. There are 17 phrases containing some form of the term deregulation. Let's use the selection menu to select all visible and apply the filter. We have 304 documents. If we wanted to know our expanded document count, we could manually pull in family members. However, our batching template is set up to do that for us, as well as exclude any documents batched as part of the sample set. So we can go ahead and batch these documents out. Let's switch the tagging panel to the Review Workflow panel. Select Deregulation as the review workflow under which the search set will be organized, and input the batching criteria on the workflow fly-in. We want to batch all of the documents isolated in the results list. We can keep the default naming, as our search set and review batches will be named after the deregulation value. We want to batch these documents for first pass review. Let's add the description of deregulation phrases. We currently do not expect new data, so we'll leave the schedule setting set to 1 time. Batch creation is set to our first pass batching template. Everything looks good. We'll click the Add to Workflow button to save the search set and batch these additional documents to the review team. If we clear our search and open the Batch Smart filter, we use the Type Ahead box to search for our deregulation batches to see how many new documents were batched for review. Keep in mind, larger document sets may take a bit more time to batch. Also keep in mind that if documents that were contained in our last search results were contained in any of the sample review batches, they would not be batched again, as the batching template excludes previously batched documents.